right now to the checkered flag side by side. It's going to be, I'm going to say it's Dan Brown, but it's too close to call.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're back here at Antioch Speedway, got the Extreme Late Model Series tonight. I think it's round number 6, and we're currently sitting second in points. My wife drew a 10, so we should be starting here at the front tonight. We're not qualifying, it's a paid draw night because there's like about 1,000 dwarf cars. It's their dwarf car nationals here at Antioch, and we're on the program for tonight. So anyway, car's unloaded, we'll show you here in just a minute, and track behind us looks like it's just about ready to go. So if you can, please hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, and hit that like button if you like what you see. All right, just walking the track here. It's looks kind of crumbly right now, but there's about 1,000 dwarf cars, so maybe they'll kind of work it in and hopefully go dry. It's usually kind of rough here, so last year we were here a few times. Last race we won, it kind of dried out. So anyway, I just want to mention Fred Jensen Construction. Thanks for coming on board and sponsoring us as the music comes on right now. Anyway, if you want to sponsor us, just shoot me an email, brownjrracing@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. All right, there's a look at like the 4 million dwarf cars that are here. It is absolutely chaos in the pits. There's so many cars, they even had to open up the floodgates in the back to park people. Luckily, we got a spot right here. Exit the truck and our pit stop, so that'll work.
Facebook page as the animal. Anthony Slaney bringing them around nice and slow. Getting set for Extreme Limited Late Model Series action here at Antioch Speedway. A new series here in the state of California, trying to revive the state of late models, and it seems to be working. Great fields every week, and green flag in the air. Down the front straightaway, Dan Brown on the high side, hitting right up along the cushion, the Antioch cushion. The animal down on the low side.
Heat race is done. We got first, did the redraw, top 3 from each heat, kind of a low car count tonight. but the top 3 from each heat got to do the redraw, and I drew a 3. So start inside row 2, Jinkerson drew 1. The one guy I can't seem to beat at all this year. It's driving me insane, and he draws a 1. So we're gonna have to pass him. But anyway, we roll off here in about an hour or 2. They're doing track rework right now. So stay with us.
on the outside when he's doing that.
Yeah, and as they're coming out of turn 4, white flag in the air. Brown's got 1 lap to go and try to get past Dickerson. Can he have enough there? Dickerson to the inside, Brown on the outside. They're going to be neck and neck coming down the back stretch into 3 and 4. They're side by side, 3 and 4 coming out of 4 right now to the checker flag, side by side. It's going to be, I'm going to say it's Dan Brown, but it's too close to call. According to timing and scoring, ladies and gentlemen, it was Dan Brown Jr. But I don't know. You guys in the front seats jump up and down. You guys can tell me better because you guys had that closer angle. But man, that was exciting.
All right, guys, we finally did it. Finally picked up a win for this year. So happy. Don't even have the words really to express. Got the lead literally coming out of 4, as you guys saw. Always been a dream of mine to take the lead and win a race on the last lap coming out of 4. Had it happen to me 2014, 13 or something like that. Blew right rear on the last lap while I took the lead. So this is redemption. I'm so excited. So anyway, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Like the video if you like what you see. If you don't like it, sorry. And we'll catch you next time. Be at Placerville on Saturday. Come out to the races, say hi, or you can watch on Flow Racing. See you next time.